morning, students. Good morning, sir. Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, today is our first first class. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Atan and I'm from Georgia. This our class is about English class, and I'm become your teacher for this whole semester. So, well, I think we need to take attendance first. Maybe I will call you one by one, okay? Okay, there is have 10 students, right? Well, I'm gonna call you Zayden.
Present, sir.
Okay. Aisha. Okay. Hakan. Okay. Well, I think it's enough. All of you have present it. Yeah, we can call it. And well, let's move to the syllabus. And we're going to talk about what is it? About friendships. I mean, so well. Jadi pertama, untuk teman-teman atau yang kalian perlu ketahui, di sini kita akan mempelajari terkait descriptive tag. Ada yang tahu descriptive tag? Oke, belum ya? Oke, jadi descriptive tag itu adalah ketika kita ada suatu objek, nah kita lakukan atau kita tulis, kita utarakan secara eksplisit. Itu namanya descriptive tag. Nah, terkait descriptive tag ini, tentunya kita perlu tahu, we need to know about what kind of text, the isinya. So, let's take an example. Sini saya sudah memberikan terkait contoh teksnya, yaitu terkait friendship. Nah, friendship ini kan terkait mendeskripsikan seseorang gitu ya, mendeskripsikan orang lain, entah itu your family, your friends, and anything else. Nah, so is the example tentang terkait best friend atau friendship, pertemanan. Dari yang teman-teman bisa lihat, ini menceritakan terkait my best friend. I have a best friend. His name is Andy. He is kind, honest, and helpful. He always helps me with homework. He plays football very well. He likes reading comics and watching movies. We study together and share our story every day. I am happy to have a friend like him. Nah, dari terkait teks yang ada di sini, teman-teman bisa mengeksplain atau melihat secara langsung bahwasanya hal-hal yang merujuk terkait kejelasan pada objek atau dari cerita ini. Untuk contohnya, misal deskripsi dari teman baiknya yang bernama Andi. Nah, di sini ada tertulis he is kind, honest, and helpful. Nah, ini itu adalah contoh deskripsinya dari seorang Andi. Andi itu seperti apa sih? Nah, ini dia kind, honest, and helpful. Kemudian he always help me with my homework. Dia selalu membantuku dengan pekerjaan sekolahnya atau PR. Kemudian tentang hobinya, he plays football very well. Nah, secara eksplisit bahwasanya Andi ini itu bisa bermain bola dengan sangat baik, gitu ya. Selanjutnya, he likes reading comics and watching movie. Selain bermain bola, dia juga suka membaca komik serta melihat video atau film. Dan seterusnya. Nah, hal seperti yang saya explain tadi, bahwasanya dari descriptive tag itu adalah apa? Meng-explain dari objek tertentu yang kita butuhkan. Seperti itu. Any questions? Could be? No? Okay. Dan itu langsung. So yeah. For the next is about like when we describe someone, we need to include kind of tenses, yeah, like a simple present tense, can you see? So we can just add the fourth one. This is for the example, like he plays football. Jadi ini adalah terkait tenses present tense, yang dimana menggunakan subjek plus S atau ES plus verb 1 plus objek. Nah, seperti yang teman-teman bisa lihat, ini contohnya seperti itu. Nah, dan tentunya itu terkait kata kerja, bermain, kemudian membaca, dan lain sebagainya. Kemudian untuk kata sifat, untuk describe your friend, describe someone, this have a lot of key that I have included. Is we have a kind, honest, friendly, helpful, funny, smart, patient, and anything. Well, we move on to the questions or multiple choice that we have learned before. But before, in the questions, have you all guys understand about what I have explained about descriptive tag actually? Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Let's just take a look in the multiple choice questions in here. So, in the number one, see blah 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 very kind is part of present tense that I have explained about. Can anyone answer? Or maybe I will choose you one by one. Okay, maybe I'm gonna ask Dama.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you answer the number one, please?
Number one, she is very kind.
Okay. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. That's correct. Thank you, Dama, for the answer. And next, we move on to the second question. He, blah blah blah, football every Sunday is also present tense, and you need to remember that in present tense is like doing activity in daily life. Ya, daily activity. Like, melakukan suatu kegiatan yang dilakukan setiap harinya atau dilakukan secara berulang-ulang. Okay. Terkait present tense. So, Anybody can answer this second questions? Jika menggunakan subjek IUD, we don't need to add a or as. But if CDA, we need to add s or as di verbnya atau kata kerjanya. Bagaimana? Ada bisa answer? The second questions. What? Plays. Okay, that's correct. So he plays football every Sunday. Well, that's good. Well, maybe we just next to the short answer. I just want you to answer these 2 or 3 questions that I have mentioned. So, can you mention 3 qualities of a good friend? Someone must have a good friend, right? So maybe you can describe or just mention 3 qualities of your good friend. Anyone? 1, 2. Okay, yeah, sure. Chandra.
Three qualities of a great friend is he likes to play with you, he's not rude, he's kind, and yeah.
Well, that's totally correct. Thank you, Chandra, for the answer. Make a push for him, for us. Okay. So, next to the last questions. Okay, maybe the third question. How can you be a better friend? Maybe someone have a good friend, so how you to act with your friends? Can you explain it clearly? Just a short answer. In a short way. Anyone? Please. Okay, maybe Zaidan.
How can you be a good friend? I think the thing that we gotta do is to understand their feelings and not to hurt their feelings and be there when they need us.
Okay, well, good. Thank you, Zaidan, for the answer. Well, I think this is our topic today, and let me recall you that we have learned about is what? Descriptive tag. So, descriptive tag, we can conclude that, maybe I want just one more student. Can you explain what we have learned about today? Maybe please, for the last sessions before we close it. I hope you all guys can understand what I have explained. So yeah. Aisha probably. Okay. So actually this will be the end of our sessions today. So I just want to know, can you explain what the material about today?
Descriptive text.
And then?
Descriptive text is a text that describes someone or something specifically.
Okay. Thank you, Aisha, for the answer. And well, okay. I think all of you have fully understand about the material today is the descriptive text. And well, let's applaud to us. Thank you. Okay. Well, I think it's enough for today, class. Thank you for your attention, and See you for the next week. Goodbye.
Bye. See you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mas Adnan.